we're going to make duck egg pasta. So this is a duck egg, and then this is a large hen egg. So you can see the difference. It's a lot bigger. So hen eggs large are usually like 50 to 55 grams, whereas duck eggs are more like 75. So we're gonna just weigh our eggs though, just to make sure. Let's see. Okay, so this is heavier. This is 80 grams, where this hen egg is 60. Let's make some duck egg pasta. Okay, so our dough has rested. We've rested it for 30 minutes, covered at room temperature. And I definitely added a little too much flour to start, so should have added less and added it as I need. So it's a little bit more heavy, not as like pliable, but all good. It's just going to be a little harder to roll out. So we're going to use a machine because of this. So it will just take a little long if I did it by hand. So we're going to use the KitchenAid today. Okay, so we're going to add our roller, set it to 0. Okay, so I am going to cut this now like this. Because it's dense, and this is actually how my family does it anyway, but you can see the nice air bubbles. This is what you want to look for. So because it's so dense, I want to start with kind of thinner pieces. If you use too thick of a piece of dough in your KitchenAid, you're gonna overwork it. We don't want to do that. So all right, so we're gonna turn this baby on. Beautiful. Again, we're making duck pasta. So this was made with duck eggs. It looks exactly like normal pasta. Okay, this is our piece. So we're on the last level, level 6. You could totally stop here if you like a thicker pasta. I usually go to level 6 just because it's kind of the perfect thickness. I caught it with my foot. Again, we're not worried about these sticking. If your sheets are sticky at all, make sure you're flouring in between. but they're not going to stick to each other. So before we cut them, we are going to flour them. I'm going to be freezing these, and I don't want them to stick before they're fully frozen. Okay, so here is our spaghetti. So here is our duck pasta, fresh spaghetti using fresh duck eggs. Turned out perfect, and I can't wait to try it. So if you loved this and love pasta making, highly recommend and would love your support. My cookbook is out, so get your hands on it. Perfect beginner friendly cookbook. Lots of simple sauces. All my pasta tips and tricks are in there. So I hope you like this test and this little experiment. I'm going to do some more. So let me know if you have any requests, recommendations, what we should test out next. But had fun making this duck pasta, so thanks for joining.